10 tiny micro-robots and nano-drones. In a world where technology is constantly advancing, it's no surprise that even the smallest machines are making a big impact. These tiny microbots and nano-drones are leading the change, making our lives easier and more efficient in ways we never thought possible. With their ability to navigate tight spaces, perform complex tasks, and even venture into dangerous environments, these tiny machines are changing the game. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey as we delve into the world of 10 tiny micro-robots and nano-drones that are taking over our world. Number 9. Robobees. A micro-aerial vehicle with the ability to fly and swim. Robobees are a revolutionary invention in robotic engineering, providing us with an amazing blend of aerial and aquatic capabilities. These fascinating little creatures hyacinth fly and swim, opening up entirely new possibilities for implementing robotics into everyday life. By allowing these robots to traverse so many different environments, their applications are near limitless. With Robobees, we can explore areas that humans may not be able to reach and carry out what would normally require risky operations. Whether it's performing search and rescue operations or monitoring delicate ecosystems from above, the potentials of these flying swimming machines is truly incredible. Number 8. Kilobots. Thousand-strong swarms of simple robots that can self-organize into complex shapes. Amazingly, the complex biological world of computing has now progressed to tiny robots that can self-organize into intricate shapes. The wonders of technology have manifested in Kilobots, thousand-strong swarms of simple robots that can cooperate to form more detailed structured arrangements. This incredible novel technology opens up numerous possibilities such as difficulty customizations and higher resolution designs than ever before. It's truly astounding what we can do with robotics today, including controlling thousands of autonomous robots at once. Number 7. Flycrotucks. Micro-airline vehicles that can fly and crawl. Meet the cutting-edge innovations of the future, Flycrotucks. These micro-airland vehicles combine two essential tools for tackling tricky terrain, flying and crawling. Imagine those occasions where traditional methods fail, like trying to haul in supplies to remote mountain locations or archipelago. Flycrotucks are designed specifically to complete these challenging tasks with ease. From simply carrying objects from one place to another to clearing rubble after an earthquake, Flycrotucks can provide safe, efficient transport that's unrivaled in its application. With a versatile design and limitless possibilities for use in extreme environments, it's no wonder that people are already talking about this pioneering technology. Number 6. Swarm drones. Networked micro-drones can coordinate their movements to achieve a common goal. Swarm drones are redefining the way we think about robotics and automation. Instead of a single drone performing a task, groups of networked drones can coordinate their movements to achieve a common goal. By working together and relying on each other, swarm drones can provide efficiency, agility, and collaborations that significantly enhance any mission undertaken. For example, they could play an integral role in an emergency or search and rescue missions, quickly responding to hazardous situations with speed and precision unparalleled when compared to those of traditional unmanned aerial vehicles. Moreover, their small size makes them ideal for navigating narrow spaces, something larger individual robots may not be able to do. Swarm drones provide an incredible potential for various innovative projects and applications that can positively impact our world. Number 5. Moteans. Tiny robots that can climb walls and other surfaces. Scientists have created something that looks straight out of a sci-fi film. Tiny robots called Moteans that can climb walls and other surfaces like bugs. These robots could have major implications in the fields of robotics and engineering. Imagine being able to deploy them in difficult places such as hazardous environments or being able to send these little guys on search and rescue mission. Moteans are an exciting discovery as they offer advances in robots' abilities to climb walls, whose movements they can mimic with precision. Thanks to their tiny feet, which provides a strong grip when pinching the surface, it won't be long until we start seeing these mini marvels working alongside humans, making our lives easier and maybe even more entertaining. Number 4. Nanobots. Miniature robots at the nano scale with potential applications in medicine and manufacturing. Nanobots have the potentials to revolutionize in industry, medicine, and beyond. These diminutive machines are built at the nanoscale, which means they measure less than 100,000th of a millimeter. That's small enough to enter living cells without damaging them, and carrying out complex tasks in incredibly delicate environments. Their tiny design also makes them incredibly efficient when it comes to saving energy and materials, especially useful in manufacturing, whose processes are often require meticulous precision and tedious labor typically carried out by humans. Nanobots could also be deployed in environments we humans can access directly. Imagine searching for minerals deep within an active volcano or scanning cancerous cells without harming healthy ones. Ultimately, nanobots have massive potential, the only limit being our imagination. Number 3. Tumblebees. Micro-aerial vehicles that can fly, roll, and jump. Tumblebees are amazing, incredibly versatile micro-aerial vehicles that have recently been developed. These tiny robots can take off and fly using rotors similar to a helicopter, but they can also use their lightweight frames to roll in any direction with precision. Additionally, these agile bots can easily leap and bound over obstacles. For potential applications, Tumblebees could be used to explore dangerous or hard-to-reach places like rubble after earthquakes to help search and rescue missions. They could even undertake complicated underwater tasks like mine sweeping or inspecting underwater structures. Such versatile machines will undoubtedly prove invaluable in many different scenarios. Number 2. Mwing. A flapping wing micro-air vehicle. The Mwing is an incredible example of a flapping wing micro-air vehicle. This tiny robotic aircraft is approximately 5 cm in length and has the remarkable ability to fly with high maneuverability, comparable to much larger birds. Its wings are designed to imitate the way that real birds' wings move, utilizing flapping and tilting rhythms with flexibility and precision. Its small size means that it can often perform tasks unobtrusively or even unnoticed. In addition to its flying capability, the Mwing is built with sensors and onboard computing power so that it can make decisions based on what it senses in its environment, opening up all sorts of possibilities for its use. Whether used for surveillance or exploration missions, this agile MAV looks set to revolutionize the field of aviation. Number 1. MicroQuad rotors. Miniature quad rotors with advanced flight capabilities and sensing capabilities. MicroQuad rotors represent a stunning leap forward in flight technology. These miniature robots are incredibly capable, able to perform complex maneuvers and accurately sense their environment. It can be quite exciting to witness their acrobatic flights as they soar through the air with precision and agility that rivals birds of prey. But MicroQuad rotors are also more than just entertaining to watch. They have incredible potential as technological tools in applications such as surveillance, search and rescue, and 3D mapping. Just imagine all the creative ways we can use these fascinating robots for our benefit. Microbots are an amazing technology with a wide range of potential applications. They can fly, swim, climb walls, and self-organize into complex shapes. Nanobots are even smaller and have the potential to be used in medicine and manufacturing. These technologies are still in their infancy, but they have great potential to change the world as we know it.
Have you heard of the PD-100 Black Hornet? It is the smallest drone in the world. The Black Hornet Nano is a military micro-drone developed by Prox Dynamics as of Norway and has been used by the armed forces of a few countries around the world. The drones measure around 16 by 2.5 centimeters, as they are small enough to fit in one hand. One PD-100 weighs 18 grams with batteries. The drone is equipped with 3 cameras that give the operator both video and images. The PD-100 seems easy to use as an operator, can be trained to operate it in 20 minutes. On a single charge, the Black Hornet can work for about 20 to 25 minutes, so it is always in pairs. The electric motors of the drone are quiet and can be used to look around corners to identify any hidden dangers and enemy positions. It's a great weapon. Microbots are an amazing technology with a wide range of potential applications. They can fly, swim, climb walls, and self-organize into complex shapes. Nanobots are even smaller and have the potential to be used in medicine and manufacturing. These technologies, except PD-100 Black Hornet, are still in their infancy, but they have great potential to change the world as we know it. Thank you for sticking to the end. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye.